And he asked, "Okay, how many children you have?" The lady says, "Three." So he asked, "Ma'am, can you tell me the ages? How old are they? What are the ages of the child?" So she said, "No, I'm very busy. Let me do my work." Okay, then no, ma'am, you can give me some hint. I will work it out. He's a mathematician. The lady is also a mathematician. She got excited. Okay. So she said, some of their ages, is 36. Some of their ages is 36. So he write down, he says, "Ma'am, I need one more hint. Because not many numbers possibilities are there. How can I judge what are their ages?" So she said, product of their ages, is house number next door. Product of their ages is house number next door. So he just went to the next house, see the house number and come back. He says, "Ma'am, give me one more hint." She said, "I'm very busy. My youngest child is sleeping upstairs." What she said? "I'm very busy. My youngest child is sleeping upstairs." The salesperson said, "Thank you, ma'am. I got the answer." Now, what is the answer and how he got it? Three hints are there. First was, sum of their ages is 36. Second hint is, product of their ages is house number next door. We don't know the house number because that is not even working for him also. That's why I'm not telling you. The third hint is, my youngest child is sleeping upstairs. So he said, "Thank you, ma'am. I got the answer." So you have to tell me what is the answer, what are the ages, and how he got the answer. Three ages. What are the ages, possible ages? Just work it out. If you do individually, that's better. वैसे मैं बता दूं, आज तक मुझे किसी वर्कशॉप में इसका करेक्ट आंसर नहीं मिला एक बार में, लेकिन यहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है शायद मिल जाए. यस मैम. 11, 12 and 13. 11, 12, 13 से 36 कैसे आएगा? अच्छा, सम आ रहा है. ओके ओके. 11, 12 and 13. Okay. Let's see. Alright, should be there, sir. Otherwise, how will you know? We know. It's not useful. That's why you asked another hint. That you have to see, na. That you have to judge it. I will tell you the full explanation. Challenge. Take this challenge. 36. What should I do after that? Sum is 36. Oh, I mistaken. It's reverse. It's reverse. Sorry. The sum is, the product of their ages is 36, and the sum is house number next door. Sorry, my mistake. The product of their ages. That's why I'm thinking why 13 is coming as an answer. Okay. The product of their ages is 36. 941. Okay. 236. Okay. You should have a logic. Just check it. I'll just correct the first statement. The product of their ages is 36 and the sum of their ages is house number next door. Okay.
6 into 6 is
3, 4, 5. But it is not 36, huh? How many options you are getting? How many options you are getting? 4. Only 4? Only 4 options? Only 4 options? 3. How many options? 5 options? Just 5 options. Yes, house number, sum of their ages, house number next door. So what is the sum in the first case? 16. These are the possible sums. Okay. Now see, if the house number next door is 16, so you should have chosen this one. कि ये option होगा, लेकिन house number next door नहीं था, इसका मतलब 16 cannot be the house number next door. If 11 is the house number, so it cannot be. अगर ये 10 होता तो he should know ना कि 433 होगा. 38 होगा house number, तो he should know this is the logic. If it is 14, house number next door is 14, then he should be knowing that 941 is the only possible answer. So that means this is also not the case, this is also not the case. That means the house number is 13. That's what he confused. Hey, ma'am, I need one more hint. Then she said, my youngest son is sleeping upstairs. So answer is 661. Are you getting? Yes, ma'am. Why these are crossed? Because if the house number next door is 10, then we are not getting sum of any other option as 10. Only this is giving 10 option. That means I would have known that the ages are 433. So it is done. But it is not done. That means the house number next door is 13. That's why he's confused. Yeah, either this is the possible answer or this is the possible answer. In other cases, I am getting only one answer. So I would have got the answer in the second stage. Because I got confused because of 13. House number is 13. I'm getting two answers. So she said, the youngest son is sleeping upstairs. Youngest. So that means 661 is the answer. Clear? Clear, right? Put down there. Still confused. See, all of you see here now. First is, these are factors of 36. 3 factors 36. These are the 8 possible answers. In any way you write, either you write 343, 632, whatever sequence you write, it will remain same. The next option is sum of their ages is house number next door. These are the unique cases. अगर house number इनमें से कोई होगा, so he knows the option. What can be the possible ages? But the house number is 13. That's why he is confused because 13 is getting in 2 cases. So when she said, instead of this, she can say, my older son is playing guitar. Then this will be the option. You can change in the next class so that in the next section they will not copy.